guys, it's NimBruh. It's been a while since I've actually made a video. It was May last year since I last made one. It was the trying on Twitter lockdown thing where I went through a lot of Twitter tweets. The 8th of May, that video was. I'm looking here on my computer. At that period when I was doing the consecutive videos, like 2 or 3 a week, I was off work on lockdown, and to make the story short, I was off work for like 3 months and I was able to make YouTube videos, but I went back to work at June, and then I haven't really get a lot of time. Well, I have a little bit of time now to possibly make videos. I recently quit my weekend job, which I wasn't really free at all, but I've got a little bit of time now, so I've got time weekends to possibly make videos. So this is now March. I got new computer stuff around Christmas, January time. I sort of put together January time, and as you can see, this is a different place, different room setup, different stuff. I bought stuff for my computer. Yeah. I haven't posted it anywhere, so none of you guys will know what any of this looks like. Not 100% finished yet. There's still some things for my setup and the way it looks still needing to be constructed. So I'm just gonna fire this footage. Currently I'm about to edit it, so at the very end I will run through different things and what I've done since I initially done this. Let's go! So far what I've done is I removed the 3 original fans at the front and the black fan at the back. I ordered 4 LL140 fans, 1 at the back, and then there's the 3 at the front. You can't see 2 of them because it's black, but 1, 2, 3. And then these are just 2 original fans which I had. I'm not too sure what the name of those, I'll put it on the screen. I ordered the individual packs for the LL120s, not knowing I needed the hub and the node to make the RGB happen. So I ordered a double pack of LL140s. I might put them up here if they fit. What I'm doing now is I removed the CPU fan. The CPU there, it's all clean. This one here, I'm replacing that fan with the Freezer 34. Arctic cooler. Yeah. Okay. Okay guys, so now you've seen the whole setup kind of process in a way. I'm gonna go through things that I got and all sorts, whatever. I'm just gonna run through everything here that I got. Got this desk here, which my cousin made me. He's got his own sort of like small business that he works to my size and dimensions. Got a double monitor here with the little monitor stand clamped on there. I edited that, and there's my other one there, Hunters from Dead by Daylight. Got new speakers. Here's a little mechanical keyboard, and then a numpad as well. And there's my mice that I already had. And there's a squishy baby mice mat. Got myself a little mini fridge. There's nothing in it yet, though. I only put, I sometimes use it. I turn it on whenever I need to use it, but it's not being used at the minute. Then I got the little arrowhead foam bits that go right down there behind the computer. Got the LED strip that goes right around there. Right around them. Focus. There we go, kind of. And then I got the Corsair LED strip lights that go the whole way around the entire. I got the 4 120mm RGB L120s and then 2 L140s up there. And I got the CPU fan. They were a little tight going in, but I just about got them in. If you see like up back there on the motherboard, there's a metal bit that sticks up. Just about to squeeze that in up there. So the fun stuff under here, which you don't see all the wires and stuff. I've got the strip lights plugged in there on this one, and then I've got a multi USB which I have running here. The thing about this, I ran these along here, the strip lights, because the power source is under here. But also these lights give me a nice light under here for whenever I don't have the rim lights on. But so the multi-plug, I've got this hanging here, which comes here. That's an extension I have plugged into that multi-USB plug. That plugs into here, which comes into another multi kind of plug, and I can switch on and off. See this one here? That was my camera batteries. And then this one here, oh, it fell down. I need to actually get that. It's a banana neon light. Here, there it is. This is the controller for the LED lights that run around the foam. I can switch it here on that, and I can switch the brightness. You can't really see it that well with the light on. But I also got this controller here, which lets me select the color, and also like fades and jumps, etc. My dad's going to be making me a couple of shelves for here, so I'm going to be putting certain things on here, and probably put some stuff from there on this. I also got this HyperX Alpha headset. Pretty sure that's what it's called. And there's a little stand for it there. And then I'm going to be getting a drawer set here. But yeah, that's pretty much all done at the minute. Okay guys, that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed this like setup of my new table, computer, setup, fans, all that nice stuff. If I get new stuff in the future, I will update in future videos and let you guys know the new stuff I got, whatever. I'll see you guys in the next one or near future. Peace.
NimBruh time, come on, grab your games, we'll play all day and